Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Beetlejuice. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Beetlejuice, 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 exclaimed the character in the movie as they summoned the mischievous ghost. Beetlejuice is the title of a 1988 comedy fantasy film in which the character Beetlejuice is a mischievous ghost who is summoned by saying his name 3 times. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.